Tensions boiled over at the Tribal Welfare Department in Gurkhabasti as a large group of B.ed students staged a massive protest and gherao operation on Monday. The students belonging to the indigenous community are demanding the immediate release of their long-pending scholarships, which have reportedly been stalled for several months. The protest, which began in the morning, saw students surrounding the office premises and raising slogans against the department's administrative delays. The agitating students highlighted the acute financial distress they are facing due to the non-disbursement of stipends.
Since 2 months, 3 months, we have protest money, but we manthai choktaina sanlai tongmani. Again, belai lengkurajak, sini dukobir mani kogno sate sal brum agoto lawo laisho laijak belai para hasal rongni. Wama district hasal rongni. Kebutongo Dharmanagar, kebutongo Gumoti, mahike sauti paroni. Wama hasal ni phai tini oro uthum laijak. Kintu reason norok joton nugui mangkhana je sini angko bahai jongjal. Iki sini birman ni kok rongno sing jotono saka. Sini Tripura sahamkrai koma leader koma student organization rongno. Phiaba sing tabuk phano kebuni chubasu ba kebuni kaisa logi mayaku. Angke sing abon chananai je single bo hastin borok ba. Sing mudu Tripura hastin borong bole. Sing judi tini scholarship manai B.ed khalaiयै pass sangkhele sabunle tamnai ba. Nin Tripura san nangnai. Judi sono B.ed pass sangkhangke sing TET exam rinani eligible haike TET exam rinani kaisa jogyo tangkha. Heke agami dino judi sono singbo khoroksa teacher hinai sini jagi mano. Hengke judi sono sing tini orang maya hengke sini joto ni tinang manak nai future joto no go ondokarang nai hengke sing naya je sini go joto ni future manakang thung ondokarang thung omahai naya sing naya je chungbo Tripura hastini condition show ADC rogo school college kono korei teacher ko korei quality education ningya sing bahan bangino khasik lai tongo porasona khailai tongo aun bisingo ka sini borok mang na every year ro bomahai jongjal hengke jeng tangai omahai mang face khaina nangba hengke kok hengke omosi judi tabo goro je 5 ta 6 ta college rang maya borok rang mankha hengkelele in future ro sabni bangai ka hamangnai ba chin bangai ka hamangnai judi chuna rang maya ngai thaka hengke joto ni career loss sangnai 1 year already sing exam clear khaijak B.ed jungjaton 2 year duration. Okay, 1 year already sing first semester, second semester already exam clear khaijak. Jungjaton or pass out. Hengkai tabuk judi omosini last year. Judi all last year sini judi career loss by year loss by exam ma relia. Joton no thinang manak judi tai ma relia. Ekdom mane bodok happy rekha exam ma relia hangka hangke. Nai di sabun ki ga future nostong nai ba. Are nini Tripura sani nongnai ble nini borong nongnai ble ke in future teacher kering nai school college rogo ke furung nai kering nai sabni problem nai ba problem to jeng joto nongnai jini generation nongnai teacher kerei furung jagya ke omorok ke jini wansuk tai kogrok ta ke tini baiseng kabangma iro coba khlai lekha chini dukobir mane kogno chini minister sarno saka director sarno saka joint director san saka kabangma ti student organization rongno saka but jotono I logere nai norok khaidi jotono omahai mangsao kintu chini dukobir man success nya sak chini loge o paithak jora tongnai kebun baiseng malaya kho sibjorangka
इसका 13 तारीख को चीनी एग्जाम जोनो सॉल्यूशन मारी नाई नहीं चलबे ना আমাদের স্কলারশিপ দিতে হবে আমাদের স্কলারশিপ দিতে হবে নইলে সংগ্রাম চলছে নো স্কলারশিপ নো রেস
report of Pranav Magatla, Chini Khorang.